It's all on you. It's all on you. The self part is what's big. I'm gonna fucking make myself good enough. I'm driven. I'm obsessed. I want to prove people wrong. I'm a warrior. A warrior is a motherfucker who says, hey, I'm here again today. I'm here again tomorrow. I'm gonna be here the next day. It's a person that puts no fucking limit on what's possible. It's a brutal journey every fucking day, and self-discipline is everything. And that's all it's about, yourself. It's fucking me against me, period. The fucking mind is what you created.
Just me alone in my thoughts. I train alone. I prepare alone. I get after it alone.
You're gonna have to fucking suffer, man. This is how you get somewhere in life. Motivation is crap. It's shit. It comes and go as how you feel. Fuck that shit, man. Fuck that shit.